Welcome back to Dreams Car Studio, the place where speed, innovation, and automotive dreams come alive. Before we begin, support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to Dreams Car Studio, and turning on notifications so you never miss any future luxury motorhomes and dream machines. Your support helps us bring more incredible automotive experiences to your screen. Today we are exploring one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever built. The Newmar King Aire 2026 motorhome, a true king of the road that redefines what it means to travel in ultimate comfort, power, and exclusivity. This is not just a motorhome, it is a rolling mansion designed for those who demand five-star living wherever they go. From the very first glance, the Newmar King Aire 2026 commands attention with its massive 45-foot length bold stance and premium custom paint finishes that can be tailored to create a truly unique look. The exterior design is elegant yet powerful, featuring smooth flowing lines, large storage compartments, and advanced engineering built on a Spartan K3 chassis, delivering around 605 horsepower and massive torque, giving this luxury motorcoach incredible strength and smooth highway performance. Newmarcorp.com. The presence alone makes it clear that this is not an ordinary RV. This is a statement of wealth and engineering excellence. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels like a luxury penthouse on wheels. Every surface is crafted using premium Italian leather, fine wood cabinetry, polished metal accents, and high-end finishes that create an atmosphere of elegance and comfort. The main living area features large opposing sofas, theater seating, and a spacious layout designed for relaxation, entertainment, and socializing. The environment is enhanced with ambient lighting, large panoramic windows, and multiple high-resolution 4K displays, delivering a cinematic experience inside the cabin. The kitchen area is designed like a high-end luxury apartment, featuring premium appliances, including induction cooktops, high-end refrigeration systems, and spacious countertops that make cooking effortless and enjoyable. There is also smart storage throughout the kitchen, ensuring everything has its place while maintaining a clean and elegant design. The dining area offers a comfortable booth-style setup, allowing you to enjoy meals just like you would at home, but on the road. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom becomes a private luxury suite, featuring a king-size adjustable bed, premium fabrics, elegant lighting, and large storage spaces. The room also includes a large 4K display wardrobe with cedar lining, and even optional features like a fireplace, adding a level of comfort rarely seen in any vehicle. The bathroom is equally impressive, offering a full luxury setup with tiled shower walls, premium fixtures, a spacious layout, and even a washer and dryer system, creating a true residential experience inside a motorhome. New cockpit of the King Aire 2026 is designed for ultimate control and comfort. The driver and passenger seats are wrapped in premium leather with memory functions, while advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, and integrated navigation ensure a smooth and safe driving experience. Even with such a large vehicle, driving experience feels surprisingly refined thanks to advanced suspension and engineering that make long-distance travel effortless. Technology plays a major role in this luxury motorhome, with intelligent systems controlling climate, lighting, entertainment, and power management. The King Aire also features a powerful lithium battery system, allowing off-grid travel without sacrificing comfort, meaning you can enjoy all luxury features even when far from civilization. The Newmar King Aire 2026 represents the absolute pinnacle of motorhome luxury, combining power, elegance, advanced technology, and residential comfort into one extraordinary machine. It is designed for those who see travel not just as a journey, but as an experience of pure luxury, freedom, and independence. Owning this motorhome means taking your home, your comfort, and your lifestyle wherever the road leads. If you enjoyed this luxury showcase, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Dreams Car Studio, and turn on notifications so you never miss any future luxury motorhomes, supercars, and dream machines. Thank you for watching. Dreams Car Studio, drive safe and keep dreaming.